Hi there, I'm Chinky Tan, Mr. Chink Positive. I have a very brave question from a very brave person na sinasabi nga niya na ang pangalan niya is IGS na lang, IGS. Sabi ni IGS, good morning Mr. Chinky. I admit na medyo negative person ako. Gusto ko sana humingi ng advice kung ano man ang mga proper exercise para magbago ang mindset ko na ito. Thank you and God bless you po. Well, IGV, IGS, lahat po tayo dumadaan sa the negative mindset. When you say negative, hindi naman talaga minsan talaga negative ka all the way. Pero pag nakikita mo ng nagiging habit yan, kailangan ayusin mo na. So these are some of my practical tips in order for you to have a positive mindset. Number one, I do suggest that you have to surround yourself with positive people. Okay? Piliin mo yung mga tao na talagang positibo, naka-encourage sa iyo, who can really speak life, hope, and inspiration to you. Layuan mo naman yung mga taong negative, yung parating reklamo ng reklamo. Kung reklamo ng reklamo kasama mo, alam mo, one day, magiging reklamador ka. Kung kasama mo parati, galit parati, alam mo, after one day, magiging galit ka rin. Di ba may kasabihan tayo na birds of the same feathers, flock together? No. Actually, they become a feather duster. Yun nga, ang problema kasi, if you surround yourself with negative person, you'll become a negative person. You surround yourself with positive person, you'll become positive. So choose the people that you want to surround with. That's number one. Number two, I do suggest start reading muna good books and attend really very inspiring seminars because this really influence you and subconsciously nakaka-influence siya ng ating mindset eh. If you always read newspaper, if you always listen to mga news, no offense meant, karamihan ng mga news at newspaper sa radyo, TV, newspaper, lahat negative. So, liminally, pumapasok yan sa isipan natin. So, suggestion ko talaga, read good books, okay? Books that you can read, I have a lot of books, yung mga Till Death Do Us Part, For Richer and For Poor. By the way, the book For Richer and For Poor is really good for you because it helps you to change your mindset, it change a positive mindset. Yung tinuro ko doon, mindsets of the rich and mindsets of the poor. And third, I would really suggest that you also find mentors. Find mentors who can really speak life to you. Find coaches who can really inspire you. Whether you like it or not, mahirap payuhan ang iyong sarili. Diba kung napansin mo, mabilis magpayo sa ibang tao ng ibang problema, pero pagdating ng sarili mo problema, napakahirap na payuhan ng sarili. So you need an outsider who can really speak into your life, give a better perspective kung ano ba talaga issues mo, saan ba nagmumula ang problema mo. So, IGS, so for further questions or mga kapatid na nanonood ngayon sa Q&A with Chinky Tan, if you want to get in touch with me, please send me an email through my website, chinkytan.com. You can also send your questions to my FB and my Twitter account. It's down in your screen. In my program, I always say to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.